Hello, today I'm here on the PV Learner Tools Symbaloo to show you how you can access OverDrive to download free books to either the Sora app for your iPad or via the web on OverDrive. The OverDrive tile is found here in the top middle. To access it, click or tap it. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this Lancaster, Lebanon IU13 page where in the drop-down you'll select Pequea Valley. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the login page. Your learner login is your 120 or 130 or 500 student number. And your password is the same password that you would use to log into Google Drive. Once you've entered those, go ahead and tap or click Sign In. And once you've done that, you will enter the OverDrive and Sora service. Once in the service, you'll be able to search for any titles that you're looking for, check out books by level, subject, or different collections that are made available just for you. As always, I hope that this tutorial on accessing books through OverDrive and Sora is helpful, and thank you for watching.